Today he wants to talk about challenges in testing wearable devices. Over to you, Aakar.
Hello, is it audible? Okay, good morning everyone. So, here is my topic is, so whatever today you have, today you are feeling hungry, you pick up your smartphone, you find out the cafe, you hang out there. You are feeling sick, you catch up a doctor, find doctor on the app and you go it. So today everything and each and everything is available on your smartphone, available on your hand. Right, so today my topic is what's next, technology with humans. That is about wearable gadget. Like one I'm having in my hand. There's a Xiaomi band. I will explain you later on. So you are aware about the wearable band, right? Yes? Okay, cool. We have some of them who knows about it. Thank you. Okay, so this is what the agenda is. I don't know why this happened, but let me walk you through. First, only go with what it is, how the working of wearable gadget is. Then, what are the threats over it? That like everything has a threat. Either it's a website, either it's a mobile application, anything. It has a threats, right? So we'll go with what is the threat with the wearable gadget. Then data leaks. What if the data is leaked? Like wearable gadget, you have steps count, right? You know about steps. Wearable gadget counts steps, right? How much steps you have walked, what the calories are being burned by you, and each and every step. So what it would be if the data is leaked, and then finally how it would be helpful to the society. Next, this is what the device I have talking about, FitBit. There are various kind of version like in OS you have service SP123. There are also one other kind of stuff. But this is what I'm taking as a base for my study of wearable gadget. So this is what it is. It has a 3D motion sensor and a barometric pressure. Now how this is helpful? Whenever a person walks, like I'm walking through, it counts the steps, it counts the calories what I'm burning. If I'm having a bath, I'm doing something kind of work with my hand, it would check the body movement and then it will take into consideration how much calories or what kind of activity is being performed. It relies on PAN. PAN is a personal area network which is used for connection of wearable gadget with the device. The second is AND protocol. Now everything needs a protocol for communication, right? So AND is a protocol that is used for wireless device such as this kind of FitBit. Now you know that every device, every protocol work on the layers. So this also work on layer, but it is having a security issue. This protocol itself have a security issue. It is a low-level secure kind of protocol, and it works on BLE. You have heard the name BLE? Yes? Okay. No, BLE is a Bluetooth Low Energy. That's what this gadget work on. Okay. And it has a unique ID and tracker public ID. Like every iPhone has its unique ID, Android has its unique ID. This also tracker has its unique ID, which is combined with the base. So it's a unique ID and a tracker public ID. Next is how it works. We always have a curiosity, like how it would work, what kind of gadget this is and how it works. So this is how it works. It works on basically 4 things: data conversion, the base, web server, and tracker to base. Data conversion. You know about accelerometer? Have you heard this word accelerometer? Yes? How many of you heard? Okay, only 10%. Okay. All are playing game. All are playing on the screen. You know the ball when you do this, it goes forward. When you do this comes backward. That is what accelerometer is. Understood? Getting it? That's how the FitBit goes on. That's how the data conversion is. It converts the data when a person moves ahead, climbs the floor. When you climb the floor, it is having accelerometer. That's how it would convert the data into numerics, and then it would show to the user that how much floors the user has climbed. Next is the base. For converting going to the cloud, you need 3 things. That is this device. This is the base, and the third is the cloud. Take it. This is the cloud. This connects with this. This base, and then the data is being transferred to the cloud. So this is how it works. This is a cycle form. The third is the web server. Web server is a cloud where all the data is being stored by whatever you have worked or whatever. Then a user has an option whether he wants to make this data publicly while having social, that okay, I have walked 10,000 steps. What about you? So that's how it is. Okay. And the next is tracker to base. Again, I say AND protocol is used for tracker to base conversion. Tracker to base. For this too, it use AND protocol because it's a wireless. It works on only Bluetooth. This to this conversion happens only if there's a Bluetooth device. I mean, it's only if there's a Bluetooth. No other connection takes. So that's how the tracker to base. Now this is a diagram how these things work. First of all, this would send a signal to this device that okay, I want to have a communication with you. A link is being established. This would send information that what link is established to the cloud that okay, I have got this ID, I want to connect with you. Then a connection is formed. Tracker ID and other information would be sent to the base that okay, we are now fine now, we are fine to go ahead. Then we would have a tracker ID profile. Everyone makes a profile, right? Right? So profile is being sent to the server that what kind of profile this person is having. Then the data, as you know, data would be uploaded to the cloud with the help of base, right? So base would upload the data to the server. Then server would again send the data that okay, I have completed the data, I have uploaded the data. Now it would again update it. The thing is over here is like it is working on 12 to 12, like hotel checkout, right? Once you go in, you have to check out by 12. So that's how it works. It doesn't keep the data of previous day. Like if at night it always sync. After 12, the data would be 0. I will have zero steps because it's a new day. Understood? Cool. Okay, that's how the working is. The next is about threads. We always have been concerned about threads. What threads this is having? Now, the data which is being sent over the Bluetooth is using by HTTP. Now we all know that there's a protocol which is not secure. How to avoid this? Our tester should avoid this by using a S. HTTPS, it is a security. You can encrypt the data, right? Second is lack of encryption. The data whichever is being thrown over net, thrown over the cloud is not at all encrypted. Due to which any of the person can hack the data, can hack the leaks and can easily have a malfunctioning of the wearable net. Third is man in the middle attack. As you know, this goes on with the Bluetooth. Any person who is having the knowledge of Bluetooth analyzers can analyze the data that is passed over Bluetooth and can go over it. Second is Bluetooth attack. I will make you in a little bit in depth of Bluetooth attack, what it is. Now, a person in order to do Bluetooth attack should be having knowledge of Bluetooth, right? I have taken an example here of sniffer. How many of you know what sniffer attack is? 2 to 3%. Sniffer is an attack in which a person can analyze the data. I can stand here, I can analyze data, what data is being transferred over this network. Like we are in Wi-Fi, right? We all know we are in Wi-Fi. So data can be easily transferred, easily being sniped because all are on the same network, right? That's how a person can do. Now, how this sniffing would happen in this case? Uber to a device that would help the person to snipe the data. It works with iOS and Android both. This is what the Uber device is. Can you see? There is a tail at the end. If you want to increase the range of Bluetooth, you can add an antenna there, like remote control car, you have antenna. You know that? That's how you can do. And in this, there is an inbuilt snippets that would help the user to catch the snippets. And there's a Wireshark. Wireshark, I mean, mostly people will be familiar, those are doing security testing. Wireshark GUI has been provided, due to which those data can be converted into Wireshark GUI and you can analyze it easily. Next is data lakes. As I was saying about data lakes. This is what the data lakes is. These are the steps, counts, calories. Is everybody visible? Fine. So question is, what if this data is being leaked? What would happen? Right? What would happen? It would happen like insurance company can easily help, can change the premiums as per your health quality. If you are being fit, they would change the premium. And 52% of the health devices are having this kind of data. So insurance company easily play with it. As our profile, QA approach. What should be QA's approach? First and the important thing is no update. Finally, we have a communication with developer. Okay, that would be next patch. That would be upcoming OS update. In this, there is no update. Once this is done, it's done. There is no more. Reverse engineering. In every case, reverse engineering is possible, right? Right? Android APK reverse engineering is possible. How can we avoid it? Obfuscation is kind of a technique. We cannot avoid it, but we can minimize it by making the code more complex and more kind of complexity can be added in the code. Local data storage. Like if you know, I have not synced yet anything, but still it will show the local data storage of my last sync on my device. Just a minute. In this, it will show the last data, like what last data I have stored. It is showing 256 steps. I mean, not be able to visible, but still. So this data can be avoided because in iOS I'm not aware of, but in Android the data files can be accessed easily. Having the USB device, so that can be avoided. Sync over Bluetooth. Whatever the data is being synced over Bluetooth should be checked by QA that it is much more secure. Next, benefits. How to benefit? Challenge among friends. Come on, guys. Let's have a challenge among friends over the weekend. Let's see in this weekend which person is being more fit, more active in this kind of challenge, walking challenge. Company can encourage employees. Yes, today we are sitting and we are going fat, right? Company can encourage employees that okay, this is the device. You have a team wise. Let's see a QA team how much they are walking. Let's see sales team how much they are walking, how much they are fit. That's what helpful for doctors. Doctor will ask you to walk for 100 hours. Take 1,000 steps daily. You can upload doctor. Doctor, I have done 1,000 miles. You can tag him. Yes, doctor, I have walked 1,000 miles on Facebook. Right? The next is future. What it can. This is a hypothetical situation. That animal. Yes, I can add it to animal with a cow or anything, and you can see what kind of progress this is having and what kind of productivity this is having. This is a hypothetical situation. It can be done in future. Track humans. Yes, your parents can track you where you are going with the help of this device later on. That's it. That's from my side. Thank you. Lastly, like the last night, let's stay in a healthy way. Stay strong, stay fit. That's it. Thank you.